Ever wonder why it seems to be getting hotter every year? Have you ever stopped and thought, why does each summer feel like the hottest one yet? It's not your imagination playing tricks on you. The world is getting warmer, and it's not just because of the sun. It's a global issue that affects us all, regardless of where we live. So what's causing this rising temperature? What's behind these unexpected weather changes? Well, the answer lies in two words: climate change. So, what exactly is this climate change? Well, let's break it down. Picture Earth as a big greenhouse. Sunlight comes in, warms up the place, and some of the warmth gets reflected back into space. But some of it, well, it gets trapped by gases in the atmosphere, like carbon dioxide and methane. This is what we call the greenhouse effect, and it's necessary for life as we know it. But here's the catch. Over the past century or so, we humans have been pumping out these greenhouse gases like there's no tomorrow. We've been burning fossil fuels, chopping down forests, and engaging in a host of other activities that increase the concentration of these gases in the atmosphere. And what does this do? It strengthens the greenhouse effect. The result? Earth's average temperature starts to climb. This isn't just a one-off hot summer we're talking about. It's a long-term trend of rising temperatures, which is what we mean when we say global warming. And global warming, my friends, is a big part of climate change. But climate change isn't just about warming, it's also about changes in weather patterns. More heat can mean more evaporation, which can lead to more intense rainfall in some places and drought in others. So, in a nutshell, climate change is the long-term alteration of temperature and typical weather patterns in a place. Now you might be wondering, how does this affect us today? Well, let's talk about that. Climate change is not some distant, abstract concept, it's real. And it's happening right now. Just look around and you'll see signs of it everywhere. Our weather patterns are becoming increasingly unpredictable. Storms are growing stronger, hurricanes more frequent, heat waves that used to be rare are now almost commonplace. These aren't mere coincidences but direct consequences of our changing climate. And it's not just us humans who are feeling the heat. Wildlife across the globe is struggling too. Animals are losing their homes as forests shrink and ice caps melt. Entire species are on the brink of extinction, their habitats altered beyond recognition. Climate change is not just a problem of the future, it's a problem of the present, impacting every aspect of our lives and the world around us. To put it simply, climate change isn't just a future problem, it's happening right here, right now. And what about the future? What will happen if we don't act now? Well, the potential ramifications of climate change could change life as we know it. Imagine a world where our beautiful coastlines are swallowed up by rising sea levels. These aren't just homes and vacation spots we're talking about, these are entire ecosystems that could be lost forever. Now think of our lush green landscapes giving way to dry, barren deserts. Increased desertification could turn once fertile lands into inhospitable environments. This isn't just about losing natural beauty, it's about losing the ability to grow the food we need to survive. And speaking of food, think about the risk to food security. With extreme weather events becoming more common, crops could fail more often. This means less food for everyone, and higher prices at the grocery store. In the grand scheme of things, these are not just potential problems, they are imminent threats. The future can look quite grim if we don't tackle climate change today. So let's recap what we've learned about climate change. Climate change isn't just a buzzword, it's a reality that's affecting our world today. We've learned that it's not just about polar bears losing their homes or the ice caps melting, it's about extreme weather events, sea levels rising and changes in our ecosystems. It's about how these changes can impact our food, our health and our livelihoods. But here's the hopeful part. We also learned that we're not powerless. Every little bit helps. Whether it's planting a tree, reducing our carbon footprint or spreading awareness, we all have a role to play in combating climate change. We can make a difference in the world and in the future of our planet. It's not just about saving the Earth, it's about saving our home. Every one of us can make a difference. It's time to take action and fight for our planet.